So commenting with ConnectGenie is our most popular feature. When you have a ConnectGenie's browser extension installed in your browser, you will see this ConnectGenie icon in any commenting box of LinkedIn. So when you click on it, you will see this commenting toolbox, which has a set of default tones. Like I think believe that there are 30 of them. You can even add your own custom tone if you like. We do not have a persona yet, so let's define one. Add a persona. Here you can simply import your LinkedIn profile by pasting your LinkedIn URL, or you can manually input the information. I have some information that I've already created for my persona, so I'll be adding that manually. All right. So I've added the information. I have placed whatever, like what my name is and what my professional title and my industry. The most important section of this defining this persona is this background and writing style. So I'm writing over here that what exactly is my profession. Like I'm a product engineer and I have 11 years of experience. But more importantly, I want to talk about my writing style. So I've said that I avoid negative talk as much as possible and keep positive voice and make sure that I have a very strong stance by keeping short sentences in my communication. I want to be portrayed as humble human being. If I agree to something, I try to use I also believe instead of agreed or indeed. So let's add this persona. Okay. So now you have this persona. You can even choose not to use this persona at all and simply click on the tone, then the comment will still be generated. But for the sake of this example, I'm going to use the persona. We have multiple tone. Basically, let's maybe use analytical tone. See what kind of comment it comes up with. All right, so let's analyze that. How, using the combination of analytical tone and the persona that I had defined, what kind of comment it came up with. Just to give you guys some context, Nigel wrote this post in which he is telling about his story, in which he joined a company, worked over there for 2 years, built it from ground up, and asked the owner for some equity when the company was doing great. But the owner shut him down. He left. He joined another company, and the owner of that company name was Joshua, and he explained the situation to Joshua, and Joshua said that if you're able to do good with us, we will be offering you the equity. So the comment that has been written, the first part of it, your experience underpins the importance of recognizing and rewarding employees' contribution, shows that it has been analyzed from a and written eventually from an analytical perspective. The conclusion has been drawn. The rest of the comment, this portrays my actual persona, like what I would have written myself as a CEO by after looking at the situation. It has a positive voice. It shows humbleness, no arrogance, very strong stance to the point. So it does not have any chat GPT ishness into it or no robotic sound to it. I think if I would have wanted to written this comment myself, I would have written exactly like it has written over here. So that's it.